Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand with GoDaddy, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Navigate to the home page. In the search bar, type your desired domain name. Click on the search icon to check its availability. If the domain is available, proceed to add it to your cart. If not, consider alternative suggestions provided by GoDaddy. Once you have selected a domain, click on Continue to Cart. Review the additional services offered, such as domain privacy and email hosting. Select any additional services you want to include with your domain. After reviewing your selections, click on Continue to Checkout. Create a GoDaddy account or log in if you already have one. Fill in your billing information and payment details. Confirm your order and click on Complete Purchase. After purchase, navigate to your account dashboard. Click on Domains to see your newly acquired domain. To protect your brand, add Domain Privacy Protection. This feature hides your personal information from public databases. Next, consider registering variations of your domain name. This prevents others from using similar names that could confuse customers. Once you've secured your domains, set up a professional email address. Using your domain for email adds credibility to your brand. You can set this up through GoDaddy's email hosting options. Next, create social media accounts using your brand name. Consistent branding across platforms helps build trust with your audience. Monitor the web for brand mentions using tools like Google Alerts. This helps you stay aware of how your brand is perceived online. Finally, regularly review and renew your domain registration. This ensures that you maintain ownership and control over your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.